Harness the full potential of your manufacturing data with our cutting-edge KnowNow reporting software. Effortlessly update your data via FTP or USB, ensuring flexibility even in offline scenarios. Safeguard your valuable history data by storing it locally, on a network drive, or in the cloud. Plus, enjoy the convenience of multiple users without any licensing hassles. Generate reports effortlessly with customizable templates or analyze data swiftly in a scratchpad environment for quick insights. Seamlessly integrate with your favorite spreadsheet application, whether it's Excel, LibreOffice, or any other preferred software. For more advanced or automated reports, leverage the power of Python, Visual Studio, and various free services. Or use our subscription service, KnowNow Insights, to receive daily reports directly to your inbox for unparalleled convenience.